Hello guys, welcome to DHAATRI Solutions. Today I'm going to show you a website called Service Management System or Urban Company. In the present generation, we are expecting things to be done in seconds. As per the user requirements, exist many websites for different services, but in our project, we are providing many services in one project. So this is the project. Here we have three modules like admin, service provider, and customer. Let's see the flow diagram of this website. Here, the admin and service provider customer. The admin will log in into the website with login credentials like email address and password or username and password. So after login into the website, the admin can add and view the cities which are surrounded by the admin. So the admin can add the cities and view the cities in view cities page. After adding the cities, the admin will add the services types and categories of the services. So by dividing the services types into categories, the admin will add the services to the website. After adding the categories, they can view the categories in view categories page and view the services types in view services type page. After adding these all, the service provider will register into the website with the registration details like email address, phone number, and picture of the service provider. By uploading all the details of the service provider, they will get registered into the website. After registration, the admin can view the service providers and make them active by clicking the authorize button. So after authentication only, the service provider will log in into the website with the registered email address and password. Then the service provider will add the services to that particular service types and view the services in view services page. After adding the services, they will split those services into the slots. So they can add the slots and view the slots in view slots page. And for that slots, the service provider will add the packages for that slots and view the packages in view packages page. But after adding the packages, the customer will get registered into the website with the email address, name, phone, address, and by entering the information about the customers will get registered. Then the customers will log in into the website with the registered email address and password. After entering into the website, the customer can view the services which are added by the service provider and view the packages. Those are added by the service provider only. So by choosing the packages, the customers can book the service by clicking the book service button. After clicking the book service button, the customers will book the service by paying the amount. After paying the amount, the customer booking service request will be sent to the service provider, and all the booking information will be viewed in the view bookings page. So view bookings page of customer, and these bookings will be also displayed in the service provider view bookings page. After viewing the bookings page, the service provider can confirm or reject the booking which are sent by the customer. So if they confirm the booking, the make as processing, that will be make as prepared. So that prepared booking service will be prepared in the processing section, and this will be stored in the processing section. If they reject the booking, that will be stored in the suspended page. So after preparation, the service will be completed, and by clicking the make as completed button, the service provider will complete the service to the customer. And after completion of the service, the customer also can make the status as completed. By clicking the make as completed button, the status will be changed. After this, the customer can give this ratings per service provider, and service provider can give the ratings per customers. So both will give the ratings each other. Like this, the web application will be run. So let's see the application now. This is the website. Here we have admin, service provider, and customer. So I'm logging into the admin page now with the username and password. After login, the admin will add cities by entering the city name. The cities will be added to website and service types. Service name and picture. By uploading the picture of the service will be added to website. So I'm adding the service here. So here the services added services will be displayed. So after adding the service types, the admin can add the categories. Picture, category added here, and view the category here only. So we'll get into this service provider and we'll register as a service provider with the name, email address, phone number, password, profile, and gender, experience, ID proof, description, service provider in urban company. So by selecting the city, the service provider will be added. So after adding the registration, the service providers will get activated by admin. So this is the admin page. Admin can view the service provider and authorize them by clicking the authorize button. So the status will be changed as verified. After verification, the service provider will log in into the website with the registered email address and password. This is the homepage for service provider, and after getting to the website, the service provider adds service name. Haircut and wash. So with picture of the service and available timings. 11 o'clock and price 2000. Category selected and service added. So we can view the services here, and by clicking the here the status automatically service available. By clicking this disable, the status will be changed as service unavailable. So I'm making available here. So after this, the slots will be added by service provider. So 11 o'clock, right? So from time and to time, 140. Date, add slots / added. After adding the slots will be displayed here in the slots page, and add packages for that slots. So package name, hair pouch package, and that will be 1000. Duration 1 hour 30 minutes. Description, wash hair and hair bun. So add package added successfully. After adding the packages, they can view the packages in the packages page. So here the added packages, and bookings. Here the bookings will be displayed. So we'll get into the customer again. Now we are getting to the customer, sorry. So customer name, email address, phone number, password, gender, and address. Registration successful. After registration, the customers will get logged into the website with the registered email address and password. So this is the customer homepage. Here, the customer can view the services which are added by service provider, and by clicking the service provider, those they can view the packages by clicking the view packages. So after viewing the packages, they can book the services with the time slots and description. Haircut and wash package. So service booked. After booking the service, they can view the bookings in view bookings page, and they can, if they want to cancel the booking, they can click on the cancel button and cancel the service. So after booking, they'll log out and service provider will log in into the website. And view the bookings here in the view bookings page, and by clicking the confirm, they'll accept the request, and by clicking the reject, they can reject the request. So service request will be accepted by me and by service provider, and that will be stored in the program. After confirming the request, this will be stored in the progressing page. By clicking the make as completed button, the service will be completed. So that will be stored in the customers completed section. So we'll get into the customer again, and we'll see the view bookings make as completed. After clicking the make as completed button, the status will be changed as service completed. Then the customers can give the ratings for service provider by choosing the ratings. They can write the comment, review, good service. So this is the view bookings page of customer, and then we'll again get into the service provider page, and in the after making completed, the customer bookings will be displayed here with the status service completed. So after changing the status, this service provider also can view the ratings for customer. So like this, the service provider will give the ratings to customers. So I'll show you this suspended, and customers will get login and check the reviews. View bookings page. Reviews will be displayed here like this. Like this, the reviews will be displayed. So we can view the services and we'll suspend them. Service booked, bookings. So we'll suspend the service here. I'll show you that one. I'm showing that one. After viewing the bookings, if they click on the reject button, that will be stored in the suspended list. So here the status will be changed as service request rejected. Like this service management or urban company website will run. So hope you guys all understand this website. Thank you.